Hi kids! Let's visit the farm and meet some cute animal friends. We'll learn their names and what makes each one special. Are you ready? Let's go! Cow. This is a cow. It gives us milk and loves to eat grass. Goat. This is a goat. It climbs hills and munches on leaves. Sheep. This is a sheep. Its wool keeps us warm in winter. Pig. This is a pig. It loves to roll in mud and snort happily. Horse. This is a horse. It runs fast and helps carry people. Donkey. This is a donkey. It is strong and helps carry heavy loads. Chicken. This is a chicken. It lays eggs and clucks all day. Duck. This is a duck. It swims in water and quacks loudly. Turkey. This is a turkey. It has big feathers and makes gobble sounds. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. It hops quickly and loves to eat carrots. Dog. This is a dog. It barks and is a loving friend. Cat. This is a cat. It purrs softly and loves to nap. Pony. This is a pony. It's like a small horse and very gentle. Rooster. This is a rooster. It crows loudly to wake up the farm. Hen. This is a hen. It lays eggs and cares for her chicks. Calf. This is a calf. It's a baby cow and drinks its mama's milk. Puppy. This is a puppy. It wags its tail and loves to play. Kitten. This is a kitten. It's a baby cat and chases tiny toys. Lamb. This is a lamb. It's a baby sheep and loves to jump. Goose. This is a goose. It honks and swoons gracefully in ponds. Bull. This is a bull. It's strong and has big horns. Ox. This is an ox. It helps pull carts and plow the fields. Pigeon. This is a pigeon. It flies high and coos softly. Parrot. This is a parrot. It's colorful and can mimic sounds. Mouse. This is a mouse. It's tiny and loves cheese. Guinea pig. This is a guinea pig. It squeaks and loves cuddle. Hamster. This is a hamster. It runs in wheels and stores food in its cheeks. Ferret. This is a ferret. It's playful and loves to explore tunnels. Llama. This is a llama. It has soft fur and walks with a sway. Alpaca. This is an alpaca. It has fluffy wool and a calm nature. Great job, kids! You met so many fun and friendly farm animals today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more animal adventures.